Hello, dear traders. My name is Oleg Prishepa. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. Let's start our weekly review. The total profitability is plus 199%. For this week, we earned almost 1%, and profitability for February is 7.25%. Let's switch to the MetaTrader platform and see how we were trading during the current week. I highlighted this week with a gray rectangle on GBP USD 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, we started week from closing the trades from the previous one. We had two open trades from Friday. We closed them uh, on Tuesday with profit, and after the news was released, we had a strong impulse that was more than 1,000 pips. So we also broke the previous resistance levels. So that's why we sold up here and then closed the trade on the correction on Wednesday. Then on Thursday we started buying after this correction broke the previous local low and then averaged this trade. So now we have two open trades and waiting for the market to start correction from this level, B retesting this level, breaking this level, which actually gives this option gives us an opportunity to open a third trade and average the bunch of already open trades, and then we'll be waiting for a correction and closing all the deals with profit. Globally, as you can see, we had this long uptrend. We were speaking about it many times. Now it's finally broken, so we can expect the market to go lower to retest the previous local points, and I think these points will give us good volatility to make some extra profit. The next currency pair is GBP to Canadian dollar. As for this pair, everything looks similar. We have this news on Tuesday, the candle more than 1,000 pips in heights. Also, we broke the previous local highs, so that's why we opened this selling trade. Then we averaged this trade for two times and closed all the deals with profit on Wednesday on this correction. So now we have the situation where we have the previous local lows. Let's see how the week starts. If we're gonna fall lower, we're gonna buy from these prices. If we're gonna grow, I think we'll be looking for a new selling position, but it will be closer to the previous local high. So let's see how it goes. No open trades so far, a good result. So it's okay. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. If you remember, we were waiting for this currency to make at least some trades, maybe one or two trades for a couple of weeks, but we were not breaking uh, neither previous highs nor previous lows. So that's why we were simply waiting. And finally, on Monday morning, we broke the previous resistance level, which triggered the bot, and we made two trades, closed them. Not so good as it could be because the closing order was triggered at midnight, and usually at this time we have wider spreads than regular, so that's why you can see that instead of closing the trade somewhere near to this red candle, actually, which it triggered the take profit, we closed almost at its top. So but we can't avoid this kind of situations because wider spreads on news or when the market opens or closes, or if we speak about the midnight time, like half an hour before and after the midnight, actually spreads become wider. So that's why, thanks that we actually made some trades, made some profit. And speaking about the next trades, we finally made a huge impulse down here and retested the previous lows. So we opened first buying position, then we averaged it. Now we have two trades in the market. We are very close to the previous local lows, and I think after we break it, if we're going to do it on Monday, we'll obviously open the third trade to average the current chain of trades. If not, we'll be moving up from here, and I think we're gonna close all the trades like near the level of the first open trade. So let's see how it goes. The next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. As for this pair, we had one bunch of two trades from the last week. We closed it on Monday morning. And then on Wednesday, we broke the previous local highs and made two trades, two algorithms. They made two selling orders. Both of them were closed. And one of the robots even opened a buy and trade on the like reversal movement after this impulse. So we'll wait what will gonna happen next. I think that we may retest the previous lows, even break it. Uh, then we'll activate the second order with this robot and the first order from the bot that waits for a bigger deviation to enter the market, and we'll see how it goes. I think that it can be a good point to make a new bunch of buying trades and waiting for the reversal after retesting at the previous local lows around 83.00. And the last currency pair is Australian to Canadian dollar. As you can see, we finally broke the previous support level. That's why we have a lot of buying trades here, but let's come back to the beginning of this week. We also had several trades from the previous week. We closed all of them um, on Monday morning, and then we started selling right after it and closed all the deals with profit. And on Wednesday, we started buying, then averaging these buying trades. And now we have like five trades in the market. So, like, my forecast is that we can retest the previous support level. We have a lot of levels, by the way. So I think that one of these levels may trigger a huge impulse upwards that will let us to close all the open trades with profit. So everything seems to be okay. Let's see how it goes the next week. My congratulations to all of the subscribers with the new profit you got this week. Feel free to ask me any questions. Stay tuned and see you next Saturday.